Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we are going to be going over the Peter Pan collection with Tinkerbell. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm so excited that the Peter Pan collection's here. I had the warmer, but I gave it to a friend, and so I bought another one. And I got the buddy. I want to do the buddy first. So let's do that first. We're going to do Tinkerbell. We're going to unbox her, and let me get to her scent description. Let's see, where's Tink? Where's Tink? There she is. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and unbox her. She's so cute. Here's her dating profile. There's Tink. All right, so we're going to open her up. And let's see. All this is available right now. Like, right now. So, let's check it out. All right. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. Oh, they wrapped her wings. Oh, she's so cute. Aw. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm sure her wings will chill out after a bit. They've been in the box, but she is so stinking cute. Look at her little leaf dress. And her little pom-pom shoes. Oh, and it says Scentsy. Her hair is perfect. She's adorable. She is adorable. Okay, so she comes with her signature scent pack. Sweet and sassy. And she is sweet and sassy. Very, very cute. Very cute. Okay, so we are going to open up the, we're going to smell the bar, because it's a new scent and I have never smelled it. All right, so Tinkerbell, sweet and sassy. I love the picture. Check her out. She is sweet and sassy. All right, 1, 2, and 3. It's floral, but it's really pretty. There's something sweet in there. Sweet and sassy. I see what you did, Scentsy. I see what you did. Oh gosh, that is good. Okay, let's see. Where is the scent? Okay. Feisty tangerine, lush kiwi fruit, and cucumber blossom take flight with a magical dash of whimsical musk. Oh, come on, man. And pixie dust. That's a lot. That is a mouthful. Okay, let's read that again. Okay, because that was a rough first showing. Okay. Feisty tangerine, lush kiwi fruit, and cucumber blossom take flight with a magical dash of whimsical musk and pixie dust. Say that 3 times fast. I dare you. But it smells really good. I got to make samples of that today. Okay, so here is the scent pack. All right, so now we are going to open up the warmer, and it's Disney Tinkerbell. Disney Tinkerbell. But it got a new box. I don't remember the box looking like this. Is this the same box? Consultants tell me, because I don't remember this part. I don't. All right. Let's open her up. Let's check it out. And it says, "Aw, off we go to Neverland." That's super cute. Yeah, this is a new box. It's got to be. I don't remember any of this. All right, so, ooh, we got a big old dish. I remember the dish having Tink in it, but I didn't remember how big it was. It's a very large, round dish. And there is Tink on the inside, looking sweet and sassy. There we go. Right. And let's go ahead and move the box and all of its fixings. Because today I'm going to be breaking apart some of my warmer boxes, but I don't do that to the licensed product boxes. All right. So we're going to open this up. It's got a 20-watt warmer, 20-watt bulb. Let's get it out. Okay. That goes in the box. I'm going to be putting that, I think, over here. I don't know. We will see. We will see. Okay. So this is what the warmer looks like. How cute is that? Adorbs. There's Tink. And then you have the little cutouts. And that's where it will reflect on the surface behind, as well as little pinholes that will reflect as well. Very cute. Very cute warmer. Okay. All right. Let's plug it in. We're going to put the bulb in. Let's do this. All right. Okay. So now we're going to put the dish on. Let's see. Is that? Yeah. So that's what it looks like. Right? And then it says, boom. Look at that. How pretty. See how those little pinholes, like that makes it look like little stars? Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely so cute. Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. And it's so pretty. Absolutely love that one. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then look. Tink. Did it show? There we go. Yeah. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's such a pretty warmer. Just to sit. It's beautiful for like a little girl's room. It's perfect little nightlight. So pretty. So, so pretty. Well, I hope you liked my video. I know the description of the scent was kind of a lot, but it does smell very good. I do like the scent. And Tink is adorable. She is super cute. Let's see her again. So she is a really, really cute. Very soft and cuddly. Love, love, love. Love the shoes. How cute is she? So that is the Peter Pan and Tinkerbell collection. And it's available now. So I will drop the link below. And you can get one for yourself. All right. I hope you're having a great day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.